RJ, I said what I said, what I said, you know? And when I said what I said what I said. No? No, you come back down here. You listen to mommy. Sit down. Good boy. Oh, God bless. Oh, you got the coronavirus? We know. RJ, come here. Sit down. Good boy. Bless you. RJ, we're going to get in trouble. You can't be sneezing like that. Calm down. We're going to go. Sit down. Sit down. Lay down. All the way down. All the way down. Good boy. Now you stay. Tell everybody you love them. Be safe. Be safe. Come be safe.